Welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do difficult blends or difficult sounds. Now, ready? You have to learn a lot of sounds and you have to watch this video at least 7 times. Are you ready? Kerner says no. Kerner says no. K is silent. He doesn't make a sound. Kerner says no. No, oh, no. No, oh, no. I know something. N, E, L, T, knelt. N, E, L, T, knelt. He knelt down to pick up the candy. T, O, toe. O-E says oh. T, O, toe. H, O, ho. H, O, ho. I have 10 toes and hoe is a gardening tool. H-O, ho. W-A says war. Wasp, wasp. Wasp, wasp. Now look at this W-A and it says war. Wasp, wasp. A wasp is like a bee, but he's not good. He's very dangerous. Wash, wash. Wash your dirty hands. Horrible. Horrible. I'm feeling he's horrible. He's really mean and horrible. Visible. Able. Able. Visible. Musician. Now, C-I-A-N says shin. Magician. Okay, so musician who plays musical instruments, a magician who does magic tricks. Musician, magician. Information. T-I-O-N, shin. Information. I need more information about your program, about your school. Station, the bus station. Explosion, explosion. Boom, boom, boom. Bomb explosion. Cotton for you. Sometimes says ooh. Confusion. S-I-O-N, shin. Explosion. Confusion. So, CH says ch, sometimes says k. School, school, going to school. CH says ch, sometimes says k. Miss Christmas. Oi, O-I says oi. Choir. Choir. That's funny, right? Okay. Christmas, choir. Thumb, B is silent. Shh, no sound. He's just there, but he doesn't make a sound. Thumb. Thrust. Thrust means to push. Thrust. And this is your thumb. Okay. A, stray. Avi says A. Avi says A. A, stray. A, pray. EIGH says A. EIGH says A. 8, number 8. 8, E-A-T. 8 and a 0, 80. 8, E-80. E says E, B. E, tree. The bee is in the tree, has a home or a hive. The bee home is called a hive. The bee has a hive in the tree. Bread, bread, eating bread. Now, EA doesn't say E over here. EA says eh. EA says eh. Sometimes it says E, but here it says eh. Bread, bread, head, my head. Bread, you eating bread. IGH says I. IGH says I. Sight, sight. I've got good eyesight. No, bad eyesight. Fright. I got a fright. Oh my God. Boom. Fright. All. All. Call. All. Ball. Play with the ball. Grown. OA says O. OA says O. Grown. And he's groaning and moaning. Oh my God. Boat. He's going by boat in the sea. Now this again, OW says O. OW says O. But sometimes OW says ow. OW says ouch. Ow. OW says ow. O. Blow the bubbles. Grow. Growing and growing and growing. Bow. I bow down to God. How are you feeling today? Rescue. A helicopter to the rescue. A helicopter is coming to rescue you. Tissue. I'm blowing my nose with tissue. Use. I like to use this computer when I'm doing my work. Magic key stays quiet, no sound, but this one will say you. Ooh. This one does not say you. This one says ooh. Okay, this one says you. This one says ooh. So magic key sometimes says ooh. Prune. Prune is a dried plum. Prunes are very, like, when you dry the plums, plum is a fruit. When you dry the plums, you get prunes. So AW says or. AW says or. So or saw. I saw you. Color or claw. The lions don't have nails. They have huge claws, sharp claws. Ing, ang, ong, ang, ingang, gongang. Bring a present. Bang, you bang something with a hammer. So song, sing a song. Lung is inside behind your chest, and when you breathe in, all the air goes into your lung. says turnip is a big vegetable. Purple. Color purple. Okay, it's a color. Says so we've got 3 ers. Says says and the other is somewhere else. Her. Give it to her. Her is a girl's name. Pepper. Salt and pepper. Salt is white. Pepper is black. Salt and pepper is spicy. Okay, they're all condiments. Bought. Now we have something going on. OUGH, making 4 sounds. OUGH. Sometimes it says O. Sometimes it says O. Sometimes it says O. Sometimes it says ooh. And sometimes it says off. Okay? Bought. I bought something. Thought. I thought of something. Through. Go through the tunnel. And this is thought. Thought. Rough. It's a rough road. If I fall on the rough road, I'm going to get all my skin peels off because it's so rough, not smooth. OY says oi. OY says oi. OY says oi. Oi, toy. Oi, koipu. You sometimes says ooh. A koipu is an animal and he has sharp teeth. OR says or. OR says or. On. Corn. Fort. I'm eating corn. The king lives in a fort because it's so strong. The walls are so strong. It's very hard for the enemy to come in. QU says qua. QU says qua. Quack. Quack. Quick. to air, stair. Go up the stairs. A-I-R says air. A-I-R says air. Airport, airport. J-E, J-E, J-I-O-E. J-E, J-E, J-I-O-E. When G goes with I, G goes with E, and G goes with Y, G does not make the G-G sound. G makes the J-J sound, okay? And Y sometimes says I, sometimes it says ya, sometimes it says E. You have to remember all this, okay? Giraffe, 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 germs, germs, that's a mistake. Gymnast. Who's a gymnast? He does gymnastics. He can fly, he can turn. They put him in the air, and then he turns, and then he falls down again, and he lands on his feet. He's a gymnast. So E, so E, so I-O-E. When C goes with I, C goes with E, and C goes with Y, C does not make the k-k sound, the C-C sound. C makes the S sound. Ready? C-I-G-A-R-E-T, cigarette. He's smoking cigarettes. I don't like cigarettes. C-I-G-A-R-E-T, cigarette. C-E-N-T-U-R-Y, century, 100 years. C-E-N-T-U-R-Y, century, 100 years. Cycle, cycle. He's riding a bicycle. Cycle, cycle. Okay, The TH says the air, but sometimes it says air. The air, there. You don't say there. The air, there. Her ear, here. And E-A-R-E says year. It's so funny. English is really funny. The air, there. Her ear, here. Okay? Poor, poor. Poor person, not rich. Poor, door. Now, let's read from the beginning. Are you ready? Okay, I hope you learned a lot from this video. I really want you to be great readers, and I'm going to be very proud of you. Are you ready now? Okay. No, knelt, kneel, knelt. Toe, hoe, wasp, wash, horrible, visible, musician, magician, information, station, explosion, confusion, school, Christmas, choir, thumb, thrust, stray, pray, 8, 80, bee, tree, bread, head, sight, fright, call, ball, groan, boat, blow, grow, bow, how, rescue, tissue, use, prune, saw, claw, bring, bang, song, lung, turnip, purple, her, pepper, bought, true, Thought, thought. Rough, rough. Toy, toy. Koipu, koipu. Corn, corn. Fort, fort. Quick, quack, quack. Quick, quick. Stare, stare. Airport, airport. Giraffe, giraffe. Germs, germs. Gymnast, gymnast. Cigarette, cigarette. Century, century. Cycle, cycle. There, there. Here, here. Pour, pour. Door, door. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.